Now see this program. Import CSV means first you have to import your CSV module in your program when you use reader object. So CSV dot reader, that means it will generate reader object stu reader. The object name is stu reader. Here this read is a function. Now student.csv is a file name which already created, and then read r means r is a mode, read mode. Now for I in sturad means through this object we get one record from the CSV file and store in variable I, or through this I we can print record one by one, and at the last file is closed. And read bracket open bracket close, that means this is a read function, means this is the calling part of this program. Once this read function is called, program goes here, file will open, and then read is begin, and then it will generate object, and then record is printed one by one. Clear? Let's see how it will execute. Once I press F5 key, it will show the records which stored in the file student.csv. Here we have two records, one Naman and 89. One is a roll number, Naman is a name, and then 89 is a marks. Similarly, 2 is a name, Gautam is 2 is a roll number, Gautam is a name, and 90 is a marks. It is separated by semicolon. Now this time we use delimiter semicolon. That's why it is displayed like this. If we want to use read and write program, both the function in the same program, what we have to do? See this program, I have saved this file already, made file for you. See this, import CSV at once for both read and write. When read and write function are together, so that time you have to write import CSV only once, and then first you have to write function, and then see all the concept I already explained. Look, this f is a file object, then open is a function. In that two parameter you have to pass. One is file name, then second one is mode, then stu writer is a writer object. It is created by the writer function. Then through the writer object we can call write row or write rows. Then take empty list. After that while true means condition is true, and then come here, take the value from user. First is roll number, second is name, third is marks, and then store in a list manner in variable strec, and then this list you have to add in record, that is empty list. If our record is the first record, that this empty list has add this record at the beginning. After that it asks a question, do you want to enter more record? If you press Y, then again you have to enter record. If you press N, then it will stop the execution. By this break it will come out from the loop, and then stu writer.write rows rec means it will write all the record at once in the file student.csv, and at last f.close. Similarly, in the same program, read function is written, open, f equals to open student.csv comma r comma new line equals to quotes open quotes close. That means this time it will not generate any extra space in between the records. Then stu reader equals to csv dot reader f, and then for I in stu reader print I, then f dot close. Now call writer and then read function. Now see the output. Press F5 key. Now enter roll number. Roll number is 1. Name is Dolly. Mark is 89. Then do you want to enter more record? Yes. Now roll number is 2. Name is Alokik. Marks is 78. Do you want to enter more record? No. Press enter key. See this. Now roll number, name and marks is appeared, but here space is given, means extra line is given. Why extra line is coming in? Because of this. If you use only new line here but not in this case in the open, then it will produce new line, means extra line. If you write new new line here also in the writing time, then it will not generate any extra line in between the records. Now see the changes here. Now I added new line argument and its value is null string, means no space is passed in between the quotes. Okay, see the changes. Now execute this program. Roll number 1, then Ayush, and then press enter key, enter marks like 90, then record enter. Yes, Diksha, roll number 2, name is Diksha, then marks is 95, and then press enter key. Do you want to add more records? It's asking a question, do you want to add more records? No, I don't want to enter. Then press enter key. Now see the changes. In the previous case, it shows space in between the records, but here now this time it is not showing any blank line in between the records. Why? Because of this. This means here we used new line character in both the cases. Both the cases means in read as well as write. Suppose that I am not writing here new line, or here also we don't want to write new line. So that time it also generate one blank line in between. To remove this with the help of new line means end of EOL character, that is \r and \n. This will work in Windows operating system or MS-DOS, means Microsoft Disk Operating System. Just again run your program. See the changes. Roll number 1, Piyush, then marks is 80. Do you want to enter more record? Yes. Satyam, roll number is 2, name is Satyam, marks is 94. Press enter key. Do you want to enter record? No. See this. Again, no line space, means blank line is not given in between the records because of I have written EOL character, that is \r, \n. \r is for carriers written and \n is for new line, means line feed. So I hope you understand how we write or read together in a same file, or what is the purpose of new line character. So that's all for today's class. I will provide notes to you in your class group. So please, you have to prepare notes through this video and PDF file. Thank you, class.